Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best stainless steel skillets on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Cuisinart Chef's Classic 12-inch skillet. The first thing that attracted us to this skillet was its aluminum encapsulated base. Because of this addition, the pan has even heat distribution, and there are no scattered hot spots. Moreover, this lets the skillet withstand temperature changes, making cooking easy. Another great feature of this pan is that it's non-reactive with any substance that's made on it. Hence, you can easily make dark pan sauces without needing to worry about staining the skillet. And, we have also seen that the mirror finish of the stainless steel pan remains intact even after several uses. Besides, the company provides you with a glass lid along with this skillet. It comes in handy to make dishes that require you to cover them for a while. The food also looks more presentable when served with the skillet's glass cover. Pros: even heating. Durable design. Lightweight. Easy to maintain. Cons: thin handle. Number 2. Our second best pick is Avacraft 18 out of 10 stainless steel frying pan. The very first thing that you'll notice about this stainless steel pan is its design. We really like the sloping sides as it lets you make effortless curries and sauces. And, this pan also has a spout on both sides, so pouring the liquids won't be an issue with it. Moreover, the design of this skillet's handle helps it to remain relatively cool even when you're cooking on high heat. The lid also has a silicone coating on its handle, so there's no chance of burning your fingers while lifting the lid. Furthermore, the best feature of this skillet has to be its heavy Tri-Ply base that comes with an aluminum core. Hence, you can cook anything and everything on this pan, and it will come out tasty because the heat gets distributed evenly through the surface. Pros: heats evenly. Easy tossing through sloped sides. Retains heat. Affordable price point. Cons: takes time to clean. Number 3. Our third best pick is KitchenAid 3-ply base brushed stainless steel pan. Cooking for a large family can be tough with a small-sized skillet. But, this 12-inch stainless steel frying pan from KitchenAid has the perfect cooking surface for whipping up a big meal in one go. Moreover, if you're into making pancakes or steaks, then you can cook multiple pieces at once. However, the feature that pulled us towards this skillet was its heavy stainless steel bottom. The heat is evenly distributed throughout this thick base and also from edge to edge. So, the omelets will come out fluffy and well cooked. A PFOA-free nonstick covers this pan, which deters food from sticking to its top surface and makes cleaning easy. This layer also ensures that you will need the smallest amount of oil to cook a dish. And, compared to other nonstick pans, it's better at enduring regular wear and tears. Pros: even and quick heating. Easy to grip handle. Durable nonstick coating. Good for cooking meat dishes. Cons: some customers have had staining issues. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Tramontina stainless steel fry pan. Working with liquids in a frying pan can often be challenging, and most people are scared of unnecessary spillage and splattering. However, that wouldn't be a problem with this pan as it has flared edges. Hence, the liquid will remain contained in the cookware, and it's also simple to pour it out after you're done cooking. And, we have to appreciate the durable design of this stainless steel pan that eliminates the formation of any hot spots. The thick base makes sure that the heat distribution is throughout, so the food will come out juicy and evenly cooked. Another feature that stood out to us was the pan's compatibility with ovens and induction cooktops. This pan can stand a temperature change of up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and as it's non-reactive, no stains are left on the pan even when you're preparing thick sauces. Pros: food doesn't stick. Durable design. Good for cooking sauces. Excellent for amateur cooks. Cons: Heats slower compared to other pans. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is All-Clad 3-quart stainless steel saucepan. One of the first things you will notice about this All-Clad saucepan is the stainless steel handles. Apart from the usual long handle present at the back of this pan, there's another handle in the front. So, transporting the pan from the stove to the oven or to the table is always a breeze. Moreover, this All-Clad saucepan comes with 3 layers of stainless steel and 2 layers of aluminum core. This helps to evenly distribute heat in the pan, so there won't be any irregular hot spots in this cookware. When it comes to the design of this pan, the sloped sides are really helpful to pour out any liquid-based dishes. Hence, this saucepan works well for making soup or pan sauce. And, when you are cooking in a big pot, it's always necessary to have a cover to control the heat, and All-Clad does provide a high-quality lid with this saucepan. Pros: good weight distribution at the bottom. Even heating. Food doesn't stick to the pan. Durable finish. Cons: expensive. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.